Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the electricity and gas power usage in the city of Chicago during the year 2010. So firstly, we'll be using the two data sets, one containing census block and its relevant information, as well as also the different building properties such as the height, the age, and the population, and also the electricity and the gas usage of the people living there. So this dataset can be obtained from the City of Chicago website, and the link is in the About page over here. And the second dataset contains information about the residents living in the area. This dataset is obtained from the CMAP or the Chicago Metropolitan Agency for Planning website. So this dataset contains information such as the population of the people, the age demographic, and also their ethnicity. So here we have the About page with the relevant with the information about the application itself. And next we will go to our first community area in the Near West Side. In the Near West Side page over here, we'll have the map on the left side, and there's two graphs over here and a table on the bottom right hand corner. So the Near West Side Chicago area will have three different drop boxes for us to filter the different the options. So here for the filter by, we have gas, electricity, and several others options to choose from. And by clicking on any of them, we can change the different types of result that we want to get. Okay, so for example, in the building age over here, we can see that the area that is on average the older part is located right near the UIC area over here, and with an average of about 68 years, ranging from 68 to about 100 years. And next, if we look at the electricity area over here, we can see on the right side here that the electricity line chart can be seen. So the first line over here, the top line over here, is actually the total of the area in Chicago, in the Near West Side area, and the others, we can see that relatively there is not much difference in the electrical usage. As for the gas usage, we can also select that. Okay, and once we select the gas option over here, you can see that now the gas usage line chart will be seen over on the right side. And also the table over here will be updated periodically, so that if we choose the gas usage over here, all the relevant information can be seen in the table below. So next, if for example we want to change the different type of months, we can click the month section over here, and the information will adjust accordingly. And next, if you want to also take into account the different types of building, we can also check, and by default it is set to all. If we, for example, want to check the residential area, we can check on that, and the data will change to match the criteria. For the area comparison menu over here, we can see that there are two leaflet maps over here to choose from, and on the left and on the right, so we can compare the different areas. So we will have a total of 5 drop-down box options to choose from. The first one being the community area, which is located in Chicago. There is a total of 77 areas over here, and by default it is the Near West Side. And next, the three different filters are the same as in the previous menu before, and another option that we can choose from is the color palette over here. So by choosing this, we can change the different color options, such as in number 1, we can see that it is on the light blue spectrum, and number 3, it is set to the color green. Okay, so for example, if we want to take a look at the area such as in Lincoln Park, we can check that, and now the information about the area in Lincoln Park can be seen. The next tab that we are going to look at is the tab on all of Chicago. So here we can see that by default it is selecting the most electricity usage in the year 2010. So for this page, we're taking a look at the top 10% of all the different options listed here. So here, if we take a look at the electricity area, we can see that the northern part of Chicago, somewhere near Lincoln Park or Lakeview, has the highest amount of electricity usage in 2010. So in this last part about the data integration page over here, we'll be in particular taking a look at data from the second data set, and here we'll be looking at the gender of the people under 18. So here we have two options, male and female. So in this map over here, we can see that there is a majority of people who are 18 living in Oak Park and also somewhere around Cicero. And if we want to know more information about it, we can click on the map itself and there will be data about. So same here, if we want to take a look at the data, we can select to female and the data will adjust accordingly. Okay, so here is the application that I've created and thank you for listening.